AZ88185 Single Trip Dry Ice Temperature Data Logger. Is there any data logger can stand -79 degrees Celsius dry ice temperature for harsh cold chain delivery? With limited budget to avoid cross-contamination, can single-use data logger help me? Is it possible to generate non-editable statistical PDF report by a software-free data logger? AZ88185 Single Trip Dry Ice Temperature Data Logger is your optimal choice. AZ88185 Dry Ice Data Logger can do measuring, alarming, and recording all at once. Ultra-low energy design and platinum sensor measures down to -80 degrees Celsius with 0.5 degrees Celsius accuracy. IP67 waterproof. Comply to latest RTCA and EN 12830 requirement. Self-programmable sampling rate and alarm range. Low battery indication. Manual bookmarking for every transition moment. Plug and play on Windows computer. Software is not required. Recorded data can be analyzed automatically and be saved as PDF file into Logger. Simple 3 steps to operate. Plug to program, press go to record, plug again to generate report. The generated PDF report offers you logger profile, statistical data, diagram, and detail record. Multiple trips dry ice data logger is also available.